In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add animations to Shopify website using Canva. By the end, you'll have a looping animated logo ready to upload to your store, and you'll understand the key settings so it looks clean and loads quickly. Start by logging into your Canva account. Before you click anything, decide what kind of animation you want to add. You can animate a header, a logo, or other brand elements. I'll demonstrate with an animated logo because it's simple, eye-catching, and works well across themes. On the left panel, click Create. A pop-up appears with a search bar at the top. Type Logo, then look for the Animated Logo option in the results and open it in the editor. This gives you a canvas sized appropriately for a logo, plus access to animation-ready layouts. Now let's build a text-based logo. On the left panel, click Text. You can insert a basic text box and style it from scratch, but to move faster, scroll through the pre-designed font combinations. These are balanced pairs that look professional right away. Click the one that matches your brand's tone, bold, minimal, playful, or elegant, and it will drop onto your canvas. To customize it, double-click the text and type your site's name. Use the top toolbar to adjust details like font size and letter spacing so it reads clearly at small sizes. You can also fine-tune color, transparency, and effects such as shadow or outline. Keep contrast high and avoid overly thin fonts, since logos need to remain legible on any background. Next, add motion. At the top toolbar, click Animate. The animation panel opens on the left with options you can hover over to preview instantly. Try a few and watch how your logo enters or loops. Choose something subtle. Too much movement can be distracting on a header. After selecting an animation, adjust any available settings like speed or direction so it feels smooth and on brand. When you're happy, go to the top right, click Share, then Download. You can export as MP4 or GIF. For this demo, choose GIF so it loops automatically without needing video controls. Keep an eye on file size here. Smaller files help your store load faster. Click Download and wait for the export to finish. Now switch to your Shopify admin. In the left panel, go to Online Store, then click Edit Theme on your current theme. Inside the theme editor, click the gear icon at the top left, then open Logo and Favicon. Under Default Logo, click Select, then Add Files. Choose the animated logo you just downloaded from Canva. Wait for it to fully upload, then click Done. Give the preview a moment to refresh, and you should see your animated logo live. And that's it. Simple, polished motion that brings your brand to life on Shopify.